In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to open and verify a gray.co account. Just in case your Payoneer account, was banned, or maybe something else happened to it, and so you can't access Payoneer any longer. So Gray is a very, very good option in which you could use as a foreign account to receive payment from international bodies. So if you want to open a Gray account, just get through with this video to the end. So without any further ado, if you are new to the channel, just make sure to hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell, and let's jump right into this video. So the first thing you want to do right here is that you want to head over to this part called gray.co, this website right here. And after going in, this is how your whole dashboard is going to be looking at like. So what you want to do next is that you want to click right here where it says get started for free. When you hit that button, it takes you to a new tab where we're just going to allow this to load a bit so that it will open. So we are in right here. So when you get to this position, all you're just going to do is that you're going to put in your name right here, fill in these details correctly, your middle name, your last name, and then your phone number. Your email right here. Let's use this right here. This right here. Then you just put in your password, something you could remember easily. And then right here, you just put in my referral code, which should be shown right now in the screen. And then you hit on create. When you hit on create, it takes us to the next page. And right here in this page, they are going to be sending us an OTP to the email address we provided. So I'm just gonna go into my email right here and then check that up. This is a code right here, so I'm just gonna hit on verify. And we'll just wait for it to load a bit. Okay, so our email is verified. Then we are going to complete the other steps. Just give this time. Okay, so you can see right here that our email has been verified. So now we are just going to go through with KYC. Now in this part, you want to give them all the information they need right here. So you give them your here. You want to upload that proof of address. You're just gonna hit right here and then upload the proof of address. Let's just say this is my own proof of address. It's not really a proof of address, but I just want to do it because I already have an account. Let's just say that's my proof of address. And then what will you use Gray for? Receive salary, receive payment for freelance and international clients. So just choose anyone. They will still pay you no matter what for any other thing you are doing. So you just hit on continue right here. And right here now, what's going to happen is that you are going to upload your document for verification, which is your national ID or any other thing like that you have. See, government issued this in international passport, national ID or driver's license. Continue. Start hitting on continue. Just gonna wait for that to load. And you could see right here, it brings us to a pop-up where we are going to scan our face right here. But I'm not going to be going through with this process. I'm not going to be going through this process because I already have an account. All you just have to do is just follow exactly what they tell you when this pops up. That's what you're going to do, and all will be set. So let me just log into my account and then show you how you can open your international account. Okay guys, so you can see right here that this is my account right here right now, and you can see I have all accounts already, my Great Britain and Euros. So if you want to open yours, all you just have to do is that you are going to see by this side accounts and reports. You click on that. After clicking on accounts and reports, what you want to do next is, let's just allow this to load. What you want to do next is that yours won't be showing like this. What yours will be showing is the request bank account. So that place written request bank account, you're just going to click on it, and when you click on it, it's going to take you to a page. It's going to take you to a page where you are going to put in your information, your name, your surname, your date of birth and all. So it's not any kind of big information where you have to pay or get some kind of documents. You don't need all those, just simple informations, and then it will take some hours. They say days, but it will take some few hours, and then your account will be approved and given to you. So that's exactly how to do it. So you see different accounts right there. You see GBP, you're going to see euros, and you're going to see what is the last one right there, and USD. You're going to see those three accounts, GBP, euros and USD, and then you're going to get something like that. After yours is approved, you're going to be seeing yours just like this, exactly like this. So that's how this is. So this platform also offers something quite good too, which is go back here, go on to home right here. So you can see my 3 accounts right here. I'll just go on to Nigerian right here. So we are right here in my NGN account, and the next thing you want to do is that you want to fund this balance so that you could get your virtual card if you need one. So all you just have to do is click on deposit NGN. After clicking on deposit NGN, you select your payment method, via direct debit or via bank transfer. So you could just hit on via bank transfer, put in the amount right here you want to transfer. So you can see right here they say this one from 2,000 and above, so you could put right there, let's say 3,000, and then you see how much we get. They collect a fee of 42 naira. Then hit I confirm and click on continue, and after hitting that, it's going to take you to a Flutterwave page right here. Yes, this is Flutterwave gateway. So that is just going to load, and I think it's going to give you an account number. Let's just wait for that. Right. So it's going to give you an account number. So you just hit on pay right here. When you hit on pay right here, so we're just going to wait for this to load. You can see right here it's giving you an account number. All you have to do is send this money to this account number from any bank, and then your money is going to reflect in your account. So when you're done sending, all you just have to do is come here and click I've made the transfer, and then it's going to load by the beneficiary transfer. So it redirects you to your main page. We're not going to be transferring any money. This video is just mainly opening of accounts and then showing you how to open your USD accounts. So if you love this video, just make sure to hit that subscribe button right there, and also turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any video right here in this channel. So have a good time, guys.